Hi, I'm at the Amann Girrbach stand at the IDS show, and I'm here with Ermer, who is the VP of Market and Digital, and with Falko Noack, who is VP of R&D. So, Christian, how has your experience been at IDS so far this time?
First, let me tell you, and we're super excited that we're back after 4 years of waiting at the proper IDS, and we've been developing over the last couple of years and months now a lot of innovations that we're now happy to showcase to our customers, to our partners. It's really good to get in contact with our customers and partners again.
Great to hear. I think we're all feeling the energy and the buzz here. So, tell me about what you're highlighting as far as manufacturing for digital dentistry.
So there's not one single highlight. If I have to pick out one single highlight, it's the workflow itself and the workflows that we're providing in our system. And we've been showcasing over 100 innovations within our workflows that we have either for the lab side or for the dentist side.
Great. Thank you. So, Falko, when we talk about technology, innovation and the challenges, how does the ModuleWorks partnership impact your challenges in developing the technology to create such a workflow?
Yeah, for us it's great to having with long relationship to you guys. Working together makes, especially when we have this trust, this field of trust that we have in you guys, it's very good for us. Makes things easier. And if Christian telling you we have 100 innovation on the desk, so let's say a lot of them were influenced with through your works, what you're creating for us. And we have our core competencies in producing mills, workflows, stuff like that. And you bringing the life inside of our mills with your experience. So we can do this kind of things. Meanwhile, it's not typically dental, but this shows what can happen if two partners working very close together, have an open relationship and trust in each other, and then we can bring out the best of all the two worlds inside of our products.
Thank you very much. Bringing life into the technology and coming together and bringing innovation. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks.